What up, guys? What up, guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe. Back for another one for you guys.
I see you later.
It's actually 1 week from exactly when I did my last video, and like I told you guys, I need a new back tire. So that's where I'm off to right now, to go get a new back tire, so I can have my riding season be started with a new back tire. You know what I'm saying? Today you might see I got my fatigues on, my camos on. You see my camos? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's because that's my one piece, because it's motherfucking cold outside. It's like 35 degrees. It's pretty cold, and it's a windy day. And yeah, I made an appointment on like Tuesday. When I made the appointment, it said today was supposed to be like 53 or something like that. So I'm like, word, 53? Perfect for freaking dropping off the bike to the freaking dealership to get a tire. It tells me the next day, hey bro, it's not gonna be 53, it's gonna be 35. So take the numbers and flip them around, you know what I'm saying? Flip them around on me. It's alright, because I'm gonna bundle up. I got 2 pair of long johns on, pair of sweatpants, pair of jeans, like 4 shirts, sweatshirt, you know, all the good stuff. All the good stuff. I'm not feeling no cold. Got some nice gloves on. Not feeling the cold yet. Yeah. So, the shop I'm going to isn't my regular shop. So I called my regular shop, which is in Palmer, Mass. You probably can Google it and figure out what shop that is. I called them, asked them the price. I called the shop I'm going to in Enfield, Connecticut, asked them the price. The price is about the same. But the thing about my shop is, the one I usually go to, I want to drop my bike off today and pick it up tomorrow. So I called my shop trying to do that. They said, nah, you can drop your bike off tomorrow, but we'll start it sometime next week. So like, oh, so you're not starting it until next week, and you don't even know when next week? And next week it says like sometime next week it's supposed to be like 50. That's what it says now, but it might change. So I'm like, oh, that doesn't work for me. You know what I'm saying? I like my stuff on a timely fashion. So I called Enfield, same price. So they said, I was wondering how long it takes you to do a back tire. I'm like, cause I'm trying to drop my bike off one day and pick it up the next day. She's like, oh, is that what you're trying to do? And I'm like, yeah. She's like, well, if you want, you can come and wait and we'll put the tire on. And I was like, word, that sounds like a plan to me. That sounds like a plan to me. So she told me if I was gonna cancel, call, let her know. And then the weather had me thinking like, maybe I should cancel this because it's kind of be a little nippy. But I'm like, I need to man up and get this done. I need to get this done. So I'm off to get it done. Got my helmet charged for once. I finally charged my helmet so I can listen to some music on the ride. So you guys might hear a little bit of music from that. That's I'm gonna be listening to Hot 93.7, Connecticut's #1 for hip hop and R&B. So guys, I don't know if you guys watch Suburban Delinquent. Suburban Delinquent, you should go check out his channel. He's a moto vlogger that I watch from California, and the format of his shows is he takes you on a ride, and then he goes to like a restaurant, and he tells you, like when he's on the way to the restaurant, he tells you information about the restaurant, when it was established and all this stuff like that. And then when he gets there, he eats and he shows you some of the food. Then he gives a little review on the food. I'm actually thinking about trying to do something like that. I don't really want to steal his format, you know what I'm saying? Like, I try to hit the homie up like, yo, sub deep, you know what I'm saying? Like, I live on the East Coast, you live on the West Coast. I'm trying to be like a New England delinquent, you know what I'm saying? But like, he never answers my comments and stuff. So, but I'm like, he really doesn't own the format, so I probably can do it. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? I'm like, I don't like to step on people's toes and stuff like that. And I don't see him coming down to New England to do any reviews and stuff like that. So I want you guys to go to Suburban Delinquent's channel, check his channel out. He drops new footage every Monday, so go check his channel out. Throw in the comments that you've seen that I recommended him to come. I recommended you to go check him out. Maybe he can come hit me up and check my channel out, talk to me. Maybe I can get that going on. I'm probably gonna get it going on either way, but I personally rather speak to him and tell him that I'm gonna do it, because I don't want him just to find out and be like, oh, we got someone on the other side of the country stealing my format and stuff. But yeah, my tire's bald, so you know I gotta smoke it up the rest of the way until I get to where I'm going. Alright, the wind, I'm not feeling nothing. I'm not feeling nothing nowhere right now. Like, not a bit of coldness yet. But we know that can change quick. As in, as soon as I pick up some speed quick. guys, so I hopped off the highway early because I'm starting to feel some penetration. No homo, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I started to feel the wind breaking through my gear, you know what I'm saying? Like, I wasn't getting cold. Fingertips starting to feel a little bit. Fingertips are starting to get a little burn to them. But everything else is alright. So I hopped off the highway, you know what I'm saying? Trying to preserve myself, even though I would have got there a little faster if I would have just stayed on the highway. Supposed to be there at 3:30. I think it's like 3 o'clock. I'm not sure what time it is because the phone's in my pocket. I don't wear a watch. This right here, we are in Longmeadow, Mass. Longmeadow, Mass is like the rich town in like near Springfield. There's Longmeadow. They say Longmeadow, the lines in the street are made of gold. The yellow lines, those are gold lines. Like, this is a rich neighborhood. You gotta have bread to live out here. A whole bunch of historical houses. Like those houses that are huge for when people used to have families of like 20 people back in the day. But nah. Now it's just families with like 5 people when they're living in a house for like 20 people. Because they got bread like that. Which is nice for them. Lucky them, huh? Oh, I just passed where I was going. Alright guys, I reached my destination and I almost passed it. Almost passed it. Because there's another shot in the infield that I thought it might have been. But once I passed it and I seen the name, I realized I was here.
Goodbye.
March Motorsports, Enfield, Connecticut, fellas and females. Said side glass door that leads to the service. That's what they told me. Side glass door that leads to the service. Oh, what's up? I don't even know if I'm in the wrong spot. Is the service right here?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Nash Production.
Go ahead and just fire it up so I can get the mileage, and we'll do a quick safety check. Or can you spin it around?
Can't run the helmet.
Gotcha. Cool. Alright, we got that.
Trying to get that YouTube money, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah? Oh boy, I think you need a back tire. I can't pass that.
I gotta do it for the YouTube, too.
Yeah? I gotta check out you gotta give me your channel.
Yeah,